Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack Nancy Ndabagalo, Stuart James Shanik. This guy, yes, I don't even know. Guti, ubefuna ukuba popular or what is going on? He was with General Sibiya, EPFF yakhe, there at ad hoc. Uyavela there at the back. They wearing even almost the same suits on the day. I'm just like, hey, but Uban Marlo, like, who are those people who want to be relevant? He was like trashing General Dumisani Khumalo, this guy. He's not intelligent, he's an idiot, and mina he akangazi kahle ngizombophisa. Guys, out of 30 something counts, just his counts keep on changing also. Maqala 32, kwathiwa somewhere they were 34. The general that had a media briefing yesterday in KZN said 29. Guys, 29 charges were registered under your name. And then you come and say you're going to sue people and think SAPS is going to look at you. It's just like this guy who's dumb, who's having the last laugh here. Ukhumalo. Umkhwanas, they were like, what? So bonisa Tinak, so busy now. And then the next thing, the system, we don't know who went into the system to hack it. Those charges are not there anymore. But it doesn't end there. Busy now, brothers. And you can't be laying. Umkhwanas is like the dumbest person. Ehlangene noKhumalo. Umkhwanas was just like, no, actually, let's just introduce another general that you know nothing about, who's gonna speak at the media briefing and expose you. Because Ushanik shouldn't have. Uhambe Mama police station, busy eyewitness and be like, and Newsroom Africa was also there and be like, I know he's dumb and Mina, I'll show him. I don't have any charges of carjacking or hijacking for that matter, whatever, but in those lines, I don't have anything. They have nothing on me, SAPS. Yes, we shall show you. Mind you, Mausubu, where you just like, maybe you should have just kept quiet. Choose who you sue. That's just my thing. I'm just like, bro, what are you even doing? It's the same as O'Sullivan, Paul was trying to sue Umkhwanas. Now I'm counter suing. When you're the same person, hamba ukhuluma ngami la. Babbling, pere ngegama lami. Ngathi ngizokubonisa ke. We didn't show him. Manje, have you heard anything about Paul O'Sullivan? Stop trying to sue people you know I'm nothing about. And I always say, you know what? People are always taking advantage. They gaslight you, abantu. Yes. Magbukele phansi and underestimate you. They know nothing about you. And until you show them, they're just like, what? Ubekupi. We didn't know they have so much power. Bra, people bonus. So best thing guys, we don't even know the guy. You should have just kept quiet. So Manje, they're on him. But business okay, the relationship with Spi. And let me tell you, SAPS can't just sugela you from Norway, but they have something on you. This is what babies now. One of those records now that have been deleted on the system, and people are lying around together. Guys, 29. Guys, box with 29 charges, even with 5, they have something on you. So if it wasn't slim, I need someone to buy them, the idiots. Okay, who's an idiot now? Busy calling people names like trashing them on TV, like crazy things like that. Hey, bruh. Bufuna ukuba relevant la. Angazi some bodyguard of some sort with your bulletproof cars. Manje futhi they are busy with him, bathi also uneyibhamu, firearms that are not even registered. This guy like as a criminal. Umfana nomngane wakhe uSibi Joseph, General Shedrack Sibi, the same person. Umuntu one. I'm just like, bro, what are you even doing? Buka ke manje bazombonisa ke umkhwanazi. Baphezu kwakhe, not today. Babhizinisi bayamcubungula. Busy trashing people you don't know here. Ukubona soke sime lapho ngalo baba lo. Ngabazi ukuthi uqhamuke from where,
But ours was to address this point of saying the South African Police Service is tarnishing the reputation of somebody, and I've shown you the reputation on record, in writing, in our systems. This is the caliber of person, an individual that says the police is tarnishing him. And I've only cited 29 cases that I was talking about. I didn't talk about the cases. There's another case in another province. I'm talking about and some of them are convictions and all of this thing. So when you talk about tarnishing a reputation of a person, what is the reputation? What is the baseline? Where do you start with the reputation? Because when you look at civil litigation, if one doesn't do this briefing the way we're doing it, litigation takes years over time. And you can't correct a reputation of the police later on. We have a massive responsibility to ensure the morale of all our members out there. And when they work within the law. And you can't have somebody with such a rap sheet say, everybody across me is wrong about me. I'm a good guy. And the police is a bad guy. Now, then that tells the public that the police is targeting people unnecessarily, unlawfully. But here's a person that went to court. Look at the number of offenses. So when you say, what are the cases? As those cases get unfolded, we will investigate that. That's why we say we've picked up other things. And the simple one was the firearm.